Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, I will illustrate how to download, install and use Audacity. Let's get started. Use the link below to open Audacity download website on your browser. Now click on the button for the operation system you are using. In my case, I will click on the Audacity for Windows. After a few seconds, the download will start automatically. Wait for the download to complete and open download folder. Now click on the setup and follow the instruction till installation is done. For my case, I have already installed, so I won't repeat the same process. After you're done installing, run the application. The interface is a little bit complex, but don't worry, I'll make everything simple for you. First, make sure you change the project rate to 48. Now set at. Now click on the record button to start recording. Wait for 3 seconds so that the background noise can be recorded. After you're done, click on the stop button. Now if you play the video, you will realize the few seconds before you began talking recorded noise. Select the noisy area using a selection tool. Now click on the effect, noise reduction, and get noise profile. To select the audio track, click here. As you can see, the entire audio track is selected. Now click on the effect, noise reduction, and then click OK. By doing that, you have reduced background noise of the entire audio track. Now click on Effect, Normalization, then set Peak Amplitude to -2, then click OK. You can also increase or reduce the bass and tremble according to your preference. Click on the effect, bass and amplitude. After you're done, click OK. Now you're done, let's export the track. Click on the file, export as MP3, select where to save the file, and click OK. Thank you for watching. Please like and leave a comment.